I built a free script you can have so you can zoom to any selected object in Adobe Illustrator from any location and any zoom level. Select an object, any object, and choose File, Scripts, PSB Zoom to Selected. Illustrator will center the selected object in the document window and zoom to fit its entire bounds with a comfortable margin. You can also select off-screen objects on the Layers panel and zoom to them. And it works whether you're zoomed in or out on any artboard. Here's how to assign a keyboard shortcut to your new Zoom to Selected function in Adobe Illustrator. From the Window menu, open the Actions panel. Click the plus sign New Action button at the bottom of the panel to create a new action. Name it whatever you like, and optionally, set a color for the action. Click Record, but immediately click the Stop button. Executing a script can't be recorded within an action, but we can add that script as a menu item step in the action. Start typing the name of the actual script, and then choose Find. Illustrator will fill in the rest. Click OK, and your new action will run the Zoom to Selected Object script. To bind it to a keyboard shortcut, edit the action, and assign a function key, an F key at the top of your keyboard, and optionally a modifier key. I chose Command F10. Click OK and try it out. Select an object, then press the keyboard shortcut you've chosen. Before you can do anything with my free Zoom to Selected Object Adobe Illustrator script, you have to install it. On Windows, right-click on the zip file you downloaded and choose Extract All. That will create a folder containing the script and printed usage and installation instructions. In another File Explorer window, navigate to your C drive. Program Files, Adobe, your current version of Adobe Illustrator folder. Presets, your language folder. Scripts, copy the PSB Zoom to Selected JavaScript into this folder. Restart Illustrator. Installing on a Mac is done the same way, but to a slightly different location. After downloading and opening the zip archive, open another Finder window and navigate to Applications. The current Adobe Illustrator version folder. Presets, your language folder. Scripts, now drag PSB Zoom to Selected JavaScript into this folder. Restart Illustrator. I hope you find my free Zoom to Selected Object Adobe Illustrator script useful. If you need any other help with Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop, Generative AI, Accessibility and Section 508 compliance, and other professional creative education or consultation, reach out to me via my website, iampariah.com. Now go create something amazing.